wanker.
Much later.
Ow! Jesus Christ. I gotta make this so tight. Sick. Can't even get my nut on.
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Screw up. Got it. Delighted. Right. Come on. Oh, what happened here? I wonder if that'll buff off. Probably not. Yeah. I do look after my cars sometimes. Hey, so I better tell you what we're actually doing. There's a scoop, a roof scoop. So a lot of times you fit them on rally cars and stuff like that, but I found in summer you can only open the windows 2 fingers at drift land. So it was getting really hot inside. There wasn't really much you could do about it. So I'm going to fit this scoop so it'll let in loads more air. Cold air, because it's always freezing in Scotland. Like today it's like -2 or something, it's freezing. So yeah, we're going to get that on today. So I've already measured up, so I'll show you what I've been doing. Right, so this is a roof scoop here. Comes in 2 pieces. I think it's actually molded from it's Kevlar as well. It's been molded from Evo 9 or an 8 or something like that. So the curve does look roughly the same as this. So I've marked it out. I was just measuring off of this and just put it onto there. And I think I've got it in the middle where the hooligan sticker is. I know that's in the middle. It's 50, 100 all the way, so 50 in the middle. And then just worked out all the rest from the underneath of that. So I'm gonna double check this another 2 or 3 times before I cut it, because I'm not looking forward to it. So yeah, let's get to that. I'll just put in a time lapse, and then after that I'm gonna riv nut it. Put some riv nuts on here, probably 3 or 4 along the front, and some up the back as well up here. Most of them will go at the front here. So yeah, let's cut it out. Okay, so I'm using a really thin disc for this. I don't know what size it is. I don't know. It's really thin. It cuts like butter. I really don't want to cut into my roof. Needs must though. So let's get to it. We're burning daylight. Ah, fuck. I bet. Oh fuck. I bet you guys were like, oh wow, that was really easy. He must know what he's doing. No. I really don't know what I'm doing. I've only fitted 2 scoops in my life, but I've never fitted one like this, because normally they bolt from the inside of the car, and then the other one goes in the top, but both of these go in the top, and that don't fit. I just need to cut it back a little bit. But hey, we're getting there. So better to cut shorter, like smaller than too big, or else it'll just fall. So let's just keep cutting. I think it's in the middle.
Retardation.
And
out some holes here to drill out. If you haven't seen this tool before, this is the best thing I've got in my workshop. And it's a riv nut tool. So when you press this down, this will squish, and it's like a pop rivet, but it's got threads on it. So you can stick it in here and then it puts it on there, and it's basically like having a nut on the other side of the metal. But I've got like a double skin layer here, so I'm just drilling through the first skin, put this in, crimp that up, then drill that out to the size of my bolt, and then my bolts will go in there, and I'll do the same on the back side. And then we'll put this top bit on and just self-tapper it. But I'm dribbling, I'm not even hungry.
Retardation.
Some self-tappers in the side, and then that's job done. I'm going to put some, I was going to put Tiger Seal down, but then I won't be able to get it back off, so I'm going to use RTV, what's just like what you would use for sealing your sump on the bottom of your engine or your rocker cover. It's just like engine sealant, because then it's easy to get off. You can pull it off, then it'll stop water getting in this way, because water can go in here and I've got a drain and then I'll have a pipe inside. So that's what we'll keep doing. But yeah, riv nut tool, best thing ever. It's best to have one that crimps like this instead of one like a rivet gun, like the swan neck. You're best with one like this. This is a Sealy, really good. They're more expensive, but they're really, really good. And I use alloy or aluminium, and then I'll use stainless steel, some kind of, what do you call them? I totally forgot the name of this stuff. Stainless bolts anyway. I'll show you the end product. So remember as well, when you drill stuff like this, I'm just putting a little bit of paint on the part where it's bare metal. So went in for a cup of tea, wait for that to dry. So we'll stick these riv nuts in. I'll try and show you what it looks like. This one in, get in the fucking hole. There we go. Now, because they're alloy, you don't want to go too mental with it. You know, some of you guys might be really strong, but you'll just pull the threads out because it's alloy and this thing's steel. So if you're using steel riv nuts, then just go mental with them. But I like to use alloy because they don't rust. Plus they're easier to squeeze because they're soft on that. Right, so where we're at just now is the bottom piece is on. Sorry if it's shaky. Yeah, so we've got this bottom piece on, so it's just this top piece, but I'm going to need to curve it out to the curve of the roof. But as you can see, it's like flat just now, so I need to change all that. So a bit more grinding and filing and stuff like that, but should have it, but it's looking good. The only things I would have changed is I maybe would have put another 2 bolts up here just to press that down, but it's pretty good. Not too fussed. It's a drift car.